So let's create a shimmery siren eye. These are trending all over Instagram and TikTok, and it looks very complex, but this is extremely easy, and it is something that will work with a lot of outfits. It's clean, sophisticated. All the products that we're going to be using are from the drugstore and available in India. So let's get started. I'm going to start with the tape and make sure it's not very inclined and not horizontal, just about like a 10-degree angle along the lower lash line. And now we're just going to use the So True Beauty Kohl pencil. I'm using this because this is kind of a little on the smudgier side until it dries down fully. So this is going to give you a little time to play. Create a very short wing because we're going to keep smudging it and it's going to get longer. So keep it as small as possible in the outer corner. And we're going to go ahead and use a smudging brush, slightly smudge it out and create that elongated shape. Now I'm going to use a pencil brush and a little brown eyeshadow. The brown is only to blend the kajal out. Make sure it's very much only in the outer corner because we do not want it to go everywhere. This look is more of just a shimmery kind of a wash. So make sure that your mattes do not dominate. Apply it just on the upper side of the kajal. And as you can see, the liner does keep getting longer. So ensure that you're not pulling it out too much at every step because it will be hard to take it off. So keep it as close as possible to your lash line and also as short as possible. And now we're just going to quickly go ahead with a more of like a brown, which is matching my skin tone. I'm removing any creasing on the lid and just smoothen your lid out completely. This is just to neutralize any kind of grayness which could come, especially if you have dark circles, and even with concealer, sometimes there could be grayness. This is just to kind of give you that amount of transition color. Make sure this brown is as close to your skin tone or maybe at the max a shade darker. And use this to kind of go all over into the crease as well as the lid, slightly above the crease, and slowly blend that into the brown eyeshadow and towards the outermost side of the wing. So you have the black and then the brown and then the lightest shade when you look at it from the side, and that's going to give you like a good smoky wing effect without any harsh lines coming in. So just do this really softly, slowly add color and build it in. And now I'm just going to go back into the pencil brush, a little more brown, and I'm slightly blending that out. We're going to take off the tape and you'll see how a good, neat, crisp line you're getting. Just focus on the shaping over here and make sure the black is ending somewhere at 2/3 of the eyelid, and it's also connecting to the crease too. And now we're just going to go ahead with the star of the show, which is the Swiss Beauty Cushion eyeshadow in the shade Stargazer. It's pretty much like a white kind of a shimmer and it reflects more pink. So it feels like it works really well for Indian skin tones. And I'm just going to slowly pat that across the entire lid as well as into the crease and slightly above the crease when the brush is like almost empty with any amount of pigment. It's more of an iridescent shimmer, so it's not going to give you like the opacity, but it just looks like your eyes have something twinkling here and there. And I find that effect is just so beautiful. It's literally like just putting a lid topper all over your lid without any base eyeshadow. It's just stunning. It looks so good, so sophisticated. It just gives you that wet look effect. And this color will work for light to medium skin tones. And if you're on the deeper side, go ahead with something which is a little more on the bronze side, and that should do the trick. There are some more colors in this range, so make sure you look at it. So just applying a little eyeshadow on the lower lash line and taking a wing liner brush with a little black eyeshadow and connecting that to the outer corner wing as well. Now going ahead with a couple of coats of mascara. Add in a pair of false lashes. It's going to really lift your eyes up completely. So this is the completed look. It's super glam, very easy, sophisticated, and also looks very clean. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and all the products will be tagged for you in the video along with the links. Stay tuned for more. Until next time, bye-bye.